Hi everyone, my name is Stacy and today I'm going to throw together a Salisbury steak. This is also known as a poor man's dinner, so it's perfectly budget friendly. So the first thing we're going to do is mix 1 pound of ground beef with 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs. However, today I'm going to go ahead and swap out the breadcrumbs for some freeze-dried celery. It's just to help to make a low-carb alternative. So after we add our breadcrumbs or our celery, we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 egg. Now we're just going to mix these together and make our patties. So I have already a nice pan here with some hot oil in it, and I'm just going to form some patties and fry them just like you would any other hamburger. Looks like I can get about 3 of them out of 1 pound. Now that everything's in the pan, I'm going to cook this for about 10 minutes, but about halfway through the cooking process, I will flip them over at least once. Now that the hamburger patties have had about 10 minutes to cook, we're going to remove them from the pan and then add some onions, some mushrooms, and some beef broth. Okay, so we have 1 medium onion sliced, 1 4-ounce can of mushrooms. This has been drained, by the way. 1 10-ounce can of condensed beef broth. I'm just going to go ahead and put the lid back on and cook up everything until the onions become tender. The onions are done, and so now I'm just going to add some thickener to it. I'm going to take 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and mix it with 2 tablespoons of cold water, and then we'll stir this in to make it slightly thick. We'll mix this up. If you find that yours is not thickening enough, you can add a little bit more cornstarch to that, but I think this will do just fine. The last step is just to go ahead and add our hamburger patties back into this gravy mix and let them heat up all the way. The Salisbury steak is done, and now you're just going to want to serve this with some mashed potatoes or mashed cauliflower or whatever else you want. Have a great day. Bye.